Hey guys, Kate Bihm here, family lawyer in Montgomery County, Texas. Remember, I'm a lawyer, not your lawyer. This is just for public information purposes. One thing I hear all the time is that my spouse is a narcissist who can convince anyone of anything. I get it. I really do. I understand that when you have been living in an environment with someone who is very charismatic and who has two faces, they treat you differently than they greet the world. And so it seems as though everyone is convinced that they are this wonderful person, and you are the only person who sees the real them. I don't know what it is, but there is something about being on the witness stand that shines a bright, glaring light on people's inner being. It is wild. You also need to be searching for an attorney who is a really talented, skilled litigator who is willing to take on that type of personality. Because it may be that what you need in your lawyer is not just someone who understands the rules of civil procedure and understands the rules of evidence and the like. It may be that what you need in a lawyer is somebody who you can trust to fight that battle for you because you have run out of energy to fight your spouse yourself. And we can do that for you. There are lawyers who have a certain type of mindset that are willing to take on that type of personality. And that's something that you should inquire about the first time you meet with a lawyer. Now, I do want to warn you of this. If you walk into an initial consultation with me and the first thing out of your mouth is my spouse is a narcissist, your retainer is probably going to double. I hate to admit it, but it's true. And that's because we know that we're about to get involved in a divorce with a really difficult personality type, and it's going to take more work for us. We bill by the hour, folks. That's the business model. And so if we know that your case is going to take significantly more work, we're likely to quote you a higher retainer. That goes for a lot of different things, not just narcissist, all right? So be mindful before you go in for your initial consultation, throwing around that term. You might actually have better luck with your consultation describing the behaviors that your spouse engages in and the attitude of your spouse rather than using that dirty word. So keep that in mind.